Heya! Today I'm going to quickly go through the process of making your own smart contract through Manifold Studio, as well as minting your first tokens on the Girly testnet and the ETH mainnet. If you don't know what Manifold is, simply put, Manifold Studio is a collection of easy-to-use products for artists to have more autonomy over how you mint your artwork. Getting started with Manifold is actually super simple. First, you're going to head over to manifold.xyz. Next, you're going to go over to the Studio section by clicking the button on the bottom right of the site titled Studio Login. Once logged in with your crypto wallet, click the New Contract button. Once you're on this page, you will need to fill out 3 fields. First, your contract name. This can be your name or alias or the name of the collection you are going to be minting through this smart contract. Second, you have to create your smart contract symbol. This can be anything you want. For this tutorial, I'll just use TUT. And lastly, you need to create the ASCII mark for your contract. This is the creation of an image through text art. You can create this either through a text editor like fsymbols.com/draw or through an image to text art converter like ASCIIart.club. For purposes of this tutorial, I have already used ASCIIart.club to create an ASCII image. Your next step will be to mint your smart contract on the Girly testnet. For those of you that don't know, a testnet is an easy, risk-free way of testing out smart contracts and mints. To mint on the Girly testnet, you need to first acquire testnet ETH. Manifold itself suggests these 2 sites. For this tutorial, I'll be using faucets.chain.link, as this only requires you to have a Twitter account in order to log in. Go through the steps required to prove you're not a bot and click Send Request. After a bit of waiting, your Girly ETH will appear in your wallet. Now you'll head back to the Manifold Studio and click Deploy on Girly. And done! Your own contract is officially on the testnet. To mint your first NFT, click Go to Dashboard and navigate over to the Tokens page. From here, hit Create, and for this tutorial, we will mint a single token. From there, we can upload our file that we'd like to mint and input the title and description for the NFT. Then click Mint to Girly. Here, you can decide if you want to mint to your own wallet or airdrop the NFT to someone else automatically. For this, I will be minting to my own wallet. And done! Simple as that. We now have a token minted to the Girly testnet. Our next step is to deploy this contract on the ETH mainnet. This would be the time to see if anything needs to be changed, because after this, the contract is no longer editable in the same way. Switching over to the ETH mainnet in MetaMask, we click Let's fucking go! To deploy. This will cost gas, but it should be $10 to $15 max. Wait a few minutes for the deployment, and ta-da! Your contract is official. And now we're on to the last step. Minting on mainnet is just as simple and easy as it was to mint on Girly. All you need to do is navigate to the NFT already minted on Girly and click Mint to Mainnet. Again, this is going to cost gas, but this should also be relatively cheap. For this mint, I only spent $7. Wait a minute or two, and ta-da again! And that's it! You've officially deployed your own smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Congratulations! In this tutorial, we went over how to deploy your very own contract both on the Girly testnet and the ETH mainnet. We also learned how to mint our own tokens on that smart contract. Manifold is a very versatile tool, and I really only scratched the surface with this video. Let me know if you'd like another tutorial on some of the helpful add-ons that Manifold has to offer, like the claim page or the gallery. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please like and retweet so other artists can learn about this really awesome tool. Thank you.